Hello and welcome, I'm your Code Monkey. The asset store is full of awesome tools and assets to help you make your own games. There's more and more awesome stuff coming out every month, so in this video let's check out some highlights for May 22. Even if you don't pick up any of these, it's still great to look at them to see if they inspire you to build something. Just watching some of these assets is enough to fire up my imagination. I can mentally picture all of the kind of games that I could build. This one is the list of paid assets and effects. I've already made 2 videos covering the best free new assets and the best tools and systems. Go watch the playlist if you haven't seen them. As always, there's links to the assets in the description, and as a bonus you can use the coupon CodeMonkey10 to get 10% off your order. Alright, so starting off with a great animation pack full of traversal animations. One of the tutorial topics that I've had on my list for quite some time is doing some kind of parkour system, and for that using an animation pack like this one would be perfect. It's got tons of actions, from some very generic ones like just climbing a ledge to some more exotic ones like balancing on a beam or doing a cartwheel. Then for some nice effects, here's some fire and smoke. Really great looking with tons of variation, so if your game involves massive fires or some colored smoke points, then this one looks great. Up next, here's some Asian architecture. Very unique. If you're making something inspired by Ghost of Tsushima, then this looks perfect. It's got plenty of modular pieces for you to make your own buildings. Or maybe you need some general animations to liven up your crowd, so look at this one. In total, 190 animations, tons of unique ones. You've got walk, sit, stand, dialogue, cheer, and tons more. Then for a single gorgeous looking model, here's a nice dragon. Really gorgeous, I love design and texture on this one. It includes this super high resolution model as well as a bunch of animations. So this would be perfect for a boss fight or perhaps the player in some kind of dragon game. Then something very jolly and stylized, here's a nice environment. It's really nice and cartoony with an ancient setting. Tons of building pieces, you've got trees, bushes, rocks, and many more. Then if you want just a great map, instead of having to build it yourself, here's a nice desert map. This one also has a really nice stylized look, and some parts of it are clearly inspired by Dust 2, which I love right away. And of course, you don't have to use this specific map, you can take all the parts and build your own. Up next, if your game has guns and you need some muzzle flashes, check out this one. It's got quite a lot of variety in the shapes. Some are pretty small, like for a small pistol, whereas others look truly massive and very intimidating. And as usual, you can color them into any color, so you can make some regular standard guns or some sci-fi looking particles. But if your game is medieval, then perhaps this gorgeous knight would fit. It's a super high quality model with a bunch of customizable parts. If your game is set during the Crusades or something like Assassin's Creed, then this would be perfect. Up next, if you're looking for some 2D, here's some great environmental sprites. Perfect for any 2D side-scroller. You've got lots of variations, so you can build several unique biomes for your game. Then if your game involves lots of loot, this loot animation set would fit perfectly. You have regular animation just opening a simple chest, and then some more interesting ones, like for example picking up some item from the floor. You've got some opening up some drawers, looting a body, or opening a backpack. If your game requires some warships, look at this one. It's a bunch of super high-end detailed models. Includes 7 unique ones, includes a drone carrier, a submarine, destroyer, hovercraft, and a bunch more. For something a bit more casual, here you have a bunch of interesting hyper-casual characters, lots of unique body shapes. I can see this one as being perfect for some kind of minimalist management game where each body shape does one specific task. They all have skeletons, so even though they have different shapes, they work with any humanoid animations. Then a nice screen space effect. It makes crevices much more pronounced, with some much more intense highlights and shadows. I very much like the look on this effect. It works perfectly with low poly assets, which is usually the style that I go with, so I'm thinking I might pick this one up to add that tiny bit of extra polish to my videos. Then a nice pack with a bunch of survival or construction tools. There's over 200 models of all kinds of useful tools and props, plenty of barrels, drills, boxes, containers, and lots more. Or maybe if your game involves a bunch of character buffs, then this effect pack would be perfect. You've got lots of auras that can represent pretty much anything you want. So maybe you have some special berserk mode for your characters, or maybe some characters on fire, another one has frost resistance. Really tons of variety that again can mean whatever you want in your game. For something more realistic, you have this Coworking Office. Great models, definitely very realistic. So perhaps if you're making some sort of office tycoon game, or maybe you just need an environment for your VR game, then this looks like it would be perfect. If you're working on a racing game and you need a gorgeous looking car, check out this one. Obviously very much inspired by Porsche. Also has a very high detail interior, and if you like this model, then this dev has tons more cars with this same level of quality. For a highly customizable character, you have this one. It's a cartoon kid, so if that's your target audience, then this looks great. And then for some UI, here is one meant for casual RPGs and MMOs. It's the usual mobile style with tons of objects and tons of elements. Alright, so those are my top 20 new assets on the Unity Asset Store for May 22. There's links to all in the description, and as a bonus you can use the coupon code Monkey10 to get 10% off your order. Check out the full playlist to see some more lists with free and paid assets, and let me know if you pick up any of these and what you intend to do with them. Also check out my own free and paid assets on the store. Alright, hope that's useful. Check out these videos to learn some more. Thanks to these awesome Patreon supporters for making these videos possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.